stop spending with car. Out of control already.
The last thing.
This is the last one. Oh, they have a lot of fat. So this is how it looks like. It looks big because of all this fat. Right. This is it. Okay. Oh, what's this? This is the installation manual. Wow, got logo got sticker. Nice, man. Okay, not bad. Finally, you can see it in face to face. Okay, this is for Civic FC 1.8.
So what's up? So welcome to another episode of the MDG. So remember the friend of mine who actually did all the rims, the BBK, tires, everything he just wanted to put inside, including his coilovers? Well, this time he wants to go with a little noise. So he thought of going with a good idea where he installed HKS exhaust system into his car. So I'm gonna show you guys what he did into his car. Give me a moment. Remember the Civic, right? So where did he install it? Yeah, it's from the mid pipe all the way to the back, and that is a beauty. You know, I always love this burnt effect onto the exhaust, where you get this tone between the burnt area onto the stainless steel. So yes, it is stainless steel exhaust. So this is you guys know, is a 1.8 Civic. He recently installed his BBK, his flow form rims, and he has some good UHP tires. And he installed the front lip apparently. That looks sick. That looks cool. And the side skirts, is already done. So this is the car. Woo! So it kind of looks nicer, right? With all the skirts going around. You gotta paint that caliper though. You gotta paint that caliper, if you ask me personally. And something's coming up soon. You know, and then the rear diffuser. And I think the car, I would say, it looks complete at this point, because he delete chrome. So with that is the upgrades for this week. In all honesty, it still sounds subtle. Very, very subtle car. So it looks great. but it doesn't have the sound. So always do your research when you're doing the car, doing up your car especially. It's not shifting. I don't hear nothing. Still sounds like a normal car. You know, normally you have this. The purpose of a rear muffler is to kick back the pressure from the engine. You know, as it comes out, and then after that it kicks back. So you have that pressure, so you increase in horsepower. But in this case, it doesn't actually feel much. So this is one of the examples of you gotta do it right. You know, you gotta take it step by step. Know what steps is there to take before you actually do your car. I personally am not in favor of you know, I would do it all in a whole. But I guess the credit I can put here or take here is that there is progress in the car, that I would like to feel a bit more torque, maybe more kick after certain upgrades has been, you know, installed into the car. Give it a go. Alright, doesn't give much of the howl that I was expecting though. It is very mild. Oof. So if you guys want to do some tuning or upgrades into your car, you guys gotta remember that it's not just to the point whereby I plug and play stuff, you know, and then not being able to feel the product of the installation. So you have to know what you're doing. You know, you have to do a lot of research. No matter what car it is, it could be a Kalisa with you know, a swap engine, but can you do it right? Or if it's a standard car and then you want to do some fine tuning for performance in terms of maybe to pick up the throttle response, or even the handling, which Mac has actually done here. But now, if you guys can hear, maybe if I'm outside I might be able to hear, or the insulation of this Honda FC is quite good, but I assume anyone would know how does the thrumping exhaust sound like if you tuned up the exhaust, or you know, change the exhaust to an aftermarket one. Yeah, so I think there's still a lot of work to do, Mac. So the next thing is drop in a line in the comments if you guys have any ideas for headers. Can we have headers? So in a nutshell, let's wait for new upgrades, but that's what is there in the car right now, which is the HKS rear mufflers. I think we've opened the engine before, and well, we didn't see the headers being changed or swapped yet. So till then guys, I would like you to like, share and subscribe. If you guys like the channel, you know, you have any inputs in this video that you want to add, nak tambah ke apa-apa, tak kisahlah, tapi you know, soft sikit lah dengan komen tu, okay? Constructive comment kan. So kalau ada pendapat or thoughts, tolonglah tambah, kita semua nilai sendiri. Okay, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.